Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send money with MoneyGram to bank account. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have the recipient's bank details, and this will ensure that your money is deposited safely and efficiently. So after logging into your MoneyGram, what you will have to do is either click account online or open the app. And then what you will see here if you've successfully logged in is you will click send money or and then you will select bank account, of course, and then click send money today or send money, something like that. And after that, you will just have to enter the recipient's bank details like their bank name, account number, and country, and then you will enter the amount to send and confirm fees and exchange rates. And finally, you will just have to pay using your preferred method and keep the reference number, and the recipient will will receive the funds in their bank account with a specified processing time. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.